If you're considering ProProfs help desk for your customer support needs, there are 12 important things you should know before making a decision. While it's a solid option for many, it's essential to see how it compares to other help desk software on the market, so stick around to the end to get the full picture. First, ProProfs is easy to use, with a user-friendly interface that doesn't require much training. It's a great choice for teams that need a simple solution without a steep learning curve. However, when compared to more advanced competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk, it can feel a bit basic in terms of features. Next, ProProfs offers multi-channel support, including email, live chat, and social media integrations. This is important because in today's world, customer expectations are high when it comes to communication. While ProProfs does a good job with this, other platforms like Zoho Desk offer even more customization and automation options across channels. The third thing to note is its knowledge base feature. It lets you create an online help center for your customers. This can save time and reduce ticket volume, but it's not as robust as systems you'll find in software like Freshdesk, which offers a more in-depth solution for creating self-service portals. The fourth thing is that ProProfs helps with ticket management. It offers features like ticket prioritization, automation, and routing, but it may not be as flexible or customizable as some alternatives like Zendesk, which allows for more complex workflows and ticket handling rules. Moving on to reporting, ProProfs provides detailed reports on your team's performance, customer satisfaction, and response times. While it's good for basic analytics, platforms like Freshdesk offer more advanced reporting capabilities that can help you dig deeper into metrics and optimize your support team's performance. Next, ProProfs includes integrations with other popular tools, such as CRM software, live chat, and collaboration tools. But if you need more integration options or specialized apps, platforms like Zoho Desk provide a broader range of integrations. The seventh thing is its collaboration tools. ProProfs allows team members to work together on tickets and share notes. However, if you need more advanced collaboration tools, such as internal chat systems or team workflows, alternatives like Freshservice provide better collaboration features for large teams. The eighth thing to consider is its scalability. ProProfs is a good fit for small to medium-sized businesses, but as your business grows, you might find it lacking in the flexibility and customization that larger companies require. For larger teams, platforms like Zendesk or ServiceNow can handle more complex support operations. The ninth thing to keep in mind is pricing. ProProfs offers competitive pricing, making it a cost-effective option for smaller teams or startups. However, for more advanced features, you might end up paying more than you would for other platforms like Zoho Desk, which can offer similar features at a lower price point. The 10th thing is its customer support. ProProfs provides a solid support team with 24/7 assistance, but it's not as comprehensive as what you'll find with services like Zendesk, which offer dedicated account managers and more personalized support for enterprise customers. Next up is the mobile app. ProProfs does offer a mobile app, but it's not as polished or feature-rich as those of some competitors. Freshdesk, for example, offers a mobile app that is better suited for teams on the go, with real-time ticket updates and seamless communication. The 12th thing to know is its security features. ProProfs includes standard security measures like SSL encryption and data backups. However, if you handle sensitive customer data, platforms like Zendesk offer more advanced security options, including two-factor authentication and enhanced access controls. So, is ProProfs Help Desk a good option? Yes, it's a solid choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an easy-to-use solution. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, customization, or scalability, you might want to explore other options. And if you want a better solution, check out our recommended help desk software that you can try for free.